Americans on Wednesday marked the 150th anniversary of the death of Civil War President Abraham Lincoln. Barack Obama, the first African-American president of the United States, declared Wednesday a day of remembrance. On April 14, 1865, actor and Confederate sympathizer John Booth shot Lincoln during a play at Ford's Theater in Washington, D.C. On Tuesday night, hundreds of people gathered outside the theater as part of an round-the-clock event marking the assassination. On Wednesday morning, several hundred people gathered outside the downtown Row House where Lincoln passed away the morning after he was shot. Lincoln's assassination was one of the most shocking events in U.S. history. About a week before his death, a truce was reached between the Confederate States Army and the Union Army, and the Civil War, the nation's most destructive chapter, came to an end.